Hey Annabelle, do you like these Honey Nut Cheerios? Do you like Honey Nut Cheerios? Oh yeah, you want some? They're pretty good. How do you open that thing? If only you had thumbs. Hey Anna, can you get the Cheerios out? What's going on, girl? Anna? It's not working, is it? Sorry, girl. She likes Cheerios. Sorry.